And I have my respect for your curfew. Now block people
Right,
place.
let's go.
I hope everybody has stay warm and dry during this rainy season, you know. Remember, you don't want to catch a flu in a time like this. So stay warm, stay dry, stay out of the rain if you don't have to go in night, unless you have to go to work to make that money. Welcome people, welcome back to the channel. And if it's your first time here and sure subscribe now, you know the thing go. Click the like and to turn on your post notification. Sad news today in Shooters Hill. A photo of a man and his daughter who were both in a house that collapsed due to a landslide today in Shooters Hill that I can see on the screen right now. The sad news is that they were able to find the body of 41-year-old Romario Lynchman, who is a landscaper of the district, while they're still searching. Well, at the time of me recording this video, they are still searching for the 15-year-old daughter. I hope them find her. Yo, my viewers, subscribers, a lot of rain have fall lately. As you know, we're kind of in the hurricane season right now, whereas people might see the dew rain a fall, but probably I say, yo, oh, there's some dew rain, but you have a whole heap of parish who are face a hardship during this time. Because remember, I know my viewers, subscribers, is not how intense the rain is falling, you know. Is the amount of rain that is falling over a period of time. And once you have landslide, you're gonna have a whole heap of destruction and chaos. My viewers, subscribers, that is one. So far we can confirm, see yo, one person or two person had so far passed away during this rainy season. I hope we don't hear about no more. And we are see a whole heap of video. As I can also see on my channel, I've always post like whenever there's flooding on a specific day. You can see where a lot of flood. We are see Kiara Washway. We are see my viewers, subscribers. It's not pretty. You see it? Condolences goes out to the family of these two human beings, my viewers, subscribers. You get me? Yo, like whenever them things here happen, it kinda touching. You get me? Because two innocent life just perish like that. We don't know cause. Probably got ready for them. You get me, my viewers, subscribers. But I hope them find the girl though. Hope them find her body. Because at the time of me recording this video, they were still searching for the body. You get me? So I hope them find the girl. Me don't know what could have happened to her, where she was at the time of the incident. But the phone, the Lynchman body, which is the father, you know, a video circulating also on social media, which I cannot actually play, as you know the thing go. But it disturbing. Me can't watch them video there, especially in a case like that. So again, RIP goes out to the family and to the mother passed away, and the daughter as well, my viewers, subscribers. You know the thing go. Drop some RIP in the comment section below if you may. Skeng police sees an M15 rifle with a magazine containing 15 rounds. Now my people, the rifle was found during a police operation on, I think, Ban Lane, Norwood, St. James. The weapon was found in an unoccupied house in the area. First and foremost, kudos goes out to the police, JCF. Good work, good job, well done. Me like how una step up the pace lately for find them high-powered weapon here in Jamaica. And while we can argue say the more we find out, the more weapon come to the country, at least them a do them job. Them a do something. At least we can see them a do something of your subscribers. And though them a find them weapon here, me can tell you, them far from actually reach the goal. You get me? So kudos again, my viewer subscribers. The man them not laugh, yo. iPod weapon M15, the man them nah gonna one popper. Gone over the days when if you see police find a one strap, I like a one pop, one Glock, you get me, one Browning. Now the man them a find some high powered weapon. Uzi, yo, extension clip, you get me. All of them weapon here, them actually are fine. And who to tell say them have bomb in a place too? Yeah, a job well done. While many of us Jamaican can say the curfew order put in place to mitigate the spread of the COVID-19 is causing a lot of us in different ways. We have people here same way who actually benefit from this curfew thing and benefit from the country locking down. My viewers, subscribers, watching now, here me go play a video when criminals breaking into a business. And watch you know, and that alone, my viewer subscribers, they were caught by police And you know, of course, the police are gonna video them and it never turn out good. Here's the video.
And I have no respect for your curfew. Now block people place. Yeah man. Yeah man, them surrender now. Alright. Where phone them?
On the phone. You never know car, man.
Where you say you come from? 19-year-old street. You get youth?
She's pregnant.
That's why you block people place.
No, that is not the reason.
You know. Where you come from?
42 Luke Lane.
42 Luke Lane. Where your name? Kemar Black.
Since you don't live nowhere, I don't plan to live nowhere, a place where you can go to live here. You get 3 meals a day.
Them man here did up on a mission. Them two youth here, a long time them a plan it. But watch you know, God is so good. While them a carry out them criminal activity, police just in time to see them. And it appears as if them never want to surrender, you know. You get me? But after them realize here the police them serious, them surrender. Now my viewers, subscribers, what is my take on this? Me feel them get locked up, you know. You see it, poverty is not an excuse. Although when are based on what the police ask them, the police ask them where them come from. Based on the address they provided, they can tell say somewhere town them come from. You get me? No, really and truly, this is unacceptable. You can't say people lock up them place and because when I say poverty and dog have to live and man have to eat food, when I broken eye people in place. Look how them poor old people in place, my viewers, subscribers. Tell me now. Them money have to get locked up. Now, where they armed, me don't know. Because clearly the video never show the part there. But you can see say yo, the police them catch them that they act just in time. Now also, if were they able to get into the building or the place, I'm not sure either. All me I stress the fact is that me glad say the police then catch them. Now, we just glad say it never turn out worst case scenario where nobody have to get hurt or shut off a fire. You get me? Me like how the police them de-escalate the issue. You see it? Well done. We've seen excellent work from the police them lately. I mean, I don't know if them get a little razor pay and a style and not tell nobody. But me like how them work, my viewers, subscribers. But in a case like this, me excellent. Like, yo, this is just an example of what really go on at night time when curfew start. I will go to bed. Cause remember, I'm a viewer subscribers. Police can't circle everywhere, no. Police can't circle everywhere. So you gotta have some man here and there where I do them foolishness at late night and I try rob people things. You see it? But one thing to all of the man them, you see, make this be an example. Don't get catch 3 meals a day. You decide where you want. If poverty, alright. Poverty are your excuse. Alright, go and go rob. Go and go rob, you know. Them have a place for them, man. Wanna get 3 meals a day, so you don't have to worry. So you can go on. You see me? You can't see a hard time like this now where people are struggling to survive. And because when I say a poverty and don't have youth for feed, when I got trouble people things, you don't have to work hard for. Youth to the sick, that don't make no sense. Go work hard for phone one. You see me? My viewers, subscribers, what do you think about the topics we just mentioned or talked about? Comment in the comment section below. But what touched me the most was that the fact that 2 persons had lost their life today. You get me? 2 innocent souls. You see it? So again, RIP goes out. You get me? To these 2 persons. I hope them find the daughter body, the 15-year-old body. My viewers, subscribers. You see it? Me hate see them things here. Me hate come talk about them things here. But we have to talk about it because that we do. You get me, my viewers, subscribers. But again, we want to stay warm, you know. We want to stay out of the rain, stay dry. We don't want to catch no flu right now. We don't want to catch no form of common cold right now. You see me, my viewers, subscribers. So protect on yourself. You see it? Protect on yourself. We are in for a tough ride. You see it? The rain not stop fall for now. We're in mid-November. The rain not stop fall until we're in mid-October, sorry. The rain not stop fall until November, the last part of November. Right, so until next time, my viewers, subscribers, thank you for watching and y'all have a wonderful day from Just Vibes Radio. I'm out.